This presentation is with regards to Worksheet A. Worksheet A can be found in two places. In the MATH121 workbook, with worksheets A, B, C, and D. And you can get worksheet A on page 4 in this workbook. Here it is. It's based on the collection and organization or presentation and representation of data, that part of statistics. And it is due in week 3. Or you can get it as a single Google document by itself. So I'm going to indicate you where you can access both these documents. First, you go to your Gmail account. Go to a new tab and you go to Google Apps. That's the 9 dots on the top right corner. You click on Google Apps and you click on Classroom. And you click on Join, Create or Join a Class. Click on Join a Class and type in the code CI3QYBO and click on Join. It will take you automatically to Stream. That's where you'll get the past postings. So you go to Classwork. Here you'll find Math121 Introduction, Math121 Course Information, Math121 Project Information, and Math121 Assignment Information. You click on Math121 Assignments, Worksheets, and here you'll find the workbook with all 4 worksheets in it, or you can get the worksheets A, B, C, and D separately. So let's say you click on Worksheet A. So to create your own personal copy, you go to File, you go to Make a Copy, and you can type in your name, personalize your Worksheet A, and you click on Make a Copy. Now you'll notice that there are 38 questions in this document. Numbers 1 to 31 are definition type questions. They can be easily done independently. You have at least 3 weeks to complete this worksheet. So if you do at least 2 questions per day, you can complete numbers 1 to 31 on time. Numbers 32 to 38 are more or less technical type questions. We will be doing them in the classroom together. Number 32 to 38 will be done in the classroom as a collective. For numbers 1 to 31, please attempt them independently, and you're going to see how easily this can be done. The first question is to define the term mathematics. You can click on this YouTube. You'll get a definition, or you can go to Math121 Interesting Readings in the same Google Classroom, Classwork, Math121 Interesting Readings, Part 1 and Part 2. Must be Part 2. And here you have a PowerPoint of Math121 Interesting Readings, Math as a Language. You can click on it and you can get a definition of mathematics. You can copy this in your personal copy. You can change the font. type solution. You can even leave the question because what you are doing, you are basically using this worksheet to learn about statistics. This worksheet specifically, you'll be learning about collection, organization, and representation of data. So it's like a learning instrument. So then you read this definition. The language, mathematics can be considered the language that we use to convert words into symbols, concepts into diagrams and graphs to facilitate numerical, thus objective analysis. So see how this question can be easily answered. Then you move on to number 2. Number 2 says to state 2 definitions of the term statistics. You can copy the word solution. Paste it here for number 2, and you can go to these 2 YouTubes for definition of statistics, or you can go to assisted solution in week 1, page 2, up to CI3QYBO. The weekly notes can be found lower down. There are 10 of them. They are in Word, PDF, PowerPoint, and video format. Please download them. You can download the PDF format. They don't take much memory space. Click on week 1, page 2. And here you get the 2 definitions of the word statistics. Now, whilst you are doing that, you are learning about collection, organization, and representation of data. These are very important terms with regards to statistics. What is the definition? You paste it there and you read it because you are using this as a learning instrument. Statistics has 2 definitions. Definition number 1. Statistics can be defined as a collection, organization, representation, and numerical analysis of data to make decisions. So it's like a series of processes. Definition number 2. Statistics can be viewed as numerical values calculated by using a sample. These values are generally called descriptive measures because they are used to describe the data set. When a sample is used, they are called sample statistics. When a population is used, they are called population parameters. So for example, the mean, the median, the mode, etc. If they were calculated by using a sample, they are called statistics. So then, as you can see, by doing this, you are learning about those important concepts. And as you can see, 2 questions have been answered already. If you have something else to do, you move on to another subject that you've got to do or a task that you've got to do, or you can move on to number 3. So please download this Google Doc, have it prepared in your device. So any chance that you get, you can proceed. In between classes, you can do a question. If you arrive to a class early, you can start another question. So try to do this on a continuous basis. So you'll not feel pressured. You'll not have any anxiety, procrastination, etc. As you can see, question number 3 can easily be done. State the definition of the 2 branches of statistics as a process, and you can look at this YouTube video leisurely, and then you can answer this question. You may not have time right away, but you know you started it, and it's at the back of your mind. Anytime chance you get, you're going to proceed. And whilst you are doing this now, in the classroom, we will be doing question number 32 to 38. Because 32 to 38 are more or less technical type questions. So please download and make a copy of this worksheet. You can use this, or you can use the workbook that has all 4 of them, and the weekly notes. They come in Word, PDF, and PowerPoint format, in video format. Video format is like an audio book. And as you can see, the worksheet has assistance, so you can easily access the source of the information to complete these questions. So I repeat, please download, make a copy of this worksheet, and begin on a continuous basis to answer questions number 31 to 42, number 1 to 31, and number 30 to 48. We'll be doing them as a collective in the classroom.